video, we are going to be installing and doing a quick review of the Vader Solutions Vader Clip with some very strong magnets, so that way you can data log with your phone or tablet and your phone doesn't fly off the dash. All right, let's go ahead and add it on in the car and take it for a spin. All right, so to install the Vader Solutions Vader Clip, it's very simple to do so. All you're gonna do is start working on your trim right here by the stop button. Now my trim piece has been removed quite a bit of times, but you can use a little plastic pry tool, but really you don't even need to do that. As soon as you get your fingers in there and just pull out a little bit, there's like a connector / grommet piece right there. And all you're doing is pulling. You'll hear it pop like that. And all that's gonna do is give you enough room. You're gonna take the Vader Solutions Vader Clip, this little U groove right here. All it's doing is going inside the dash. So it sits like that. Now you can move it wherever you want in the iDrive here. Since I'm using my iPhone for data logging, I just, I don't need that much space, and I'll keep it right there. Once you have it there, go ahead and push back. And then you're all set, good to go. That's really about it. It's very simple to put this on, and just so you can see up close, see it just hooks right in there with the dash. And then that way you can attach your phone right here or tablet, whichever, and we'll install the backing on my phone so that way it can stick to the magnet. All right, so we got the Vader Clip here, right here on the dash. So what Omar includes in the package is the magnetic piece. Now this makes it nice with data logging. So I opened the JB4, I was already connected to it. So here it is right here, and it just attaches just like that. Very seamless, very strong magnet. I mean, it grabs to it. You gotta really kind of pull on it to pull it off the magnet. And now let's go for a drive. Take it off if I need to look at something real quick, like on the JB4, and go ahead and plop it back up there. Like I said, any kind of cornering, it stays planted right on the Vader Clip. All right, so installing the Vader Clip in your BMW 3 Series, very simple, and it holds the phone really strong. That's the whole point of it, right? So whether you use it for your tuned BMW, so like my 335i, if I'm doing data logging, I use my iPhone because I have the JB4 Connect kit, so I can have the wireless connection there. Or if you're running MHD and you guys want to use a tablet, they work for both either the phone or a tablet. You also can use it for whatever else you want to display on your phone and have it on your dash. The Vader Clip fits your 3 Series BMW. We'll drop the link down in the description box below. You guys can check out the Vader Clip from Vader Solutions. So I'll have another 335i here install video coming soon. I'm gonna do some additional maintenance on that car, and we'll be all good and up and running. All right, thank you everyone for stopping in. Big thumbs up for today's quick little video. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Check out the other DIY videos I have out there for the 335i, of course, N54. Which is mostly my channel, but I also have some M5 videos out there as well, and it's obviously just as fun as a car as the 335i. Hopefully everyone's getting ready for the weekend, and I'm gonna chat with you on the next video. Take care.